Success? It's just something we made up. We've all come to believe that success is a gift, reserved for only the chosen, for the lucky ones, for the favored, and the rest of us can only stand by watching? Forget that. Success is not gained for only selected people. It's not something you're born with. Success is no more unique than breathing. I firmly believe you can achieve anything. We are all capable of it. All of us. Some people tell themselves success is a comparison from you to those around you. Guys, success is personal. It's between you and you, one that is dependent on your effort, not anyone else's. Sometimes success is about failing, and failing hard. Success isn't always measured in points. It's much bigger than that. But most of the time, it's something you just try over and over and over again until you finally succeed. And guess what? You will. You will achieve success every single day. It's easy to think success is only seen by the lucky ones. Success is a scary thing because it's sprinkled with failure. But it's only scary until it isn't. If we think success is supposed to look a certain way, we need to rethink it. Is it fame? Is it a big home? Does it happen in 30 minutes or 30 years? Is it finishing strong or barely finishing? Is being successful worth it? You tell me. If we face failure, it means we're open to succeeding. If we face all our fears, we're on the pursuit to success. Success speaks for itself once you give it a voice. Success needs a lot of things, but it doesn't need an audience. If you'd like to tell that guy in the suit he's not successful because he's not famous, be my guest. It won't faze him. The truth is, success is for all of us. Don't surrender to failure. Rise above. Because success is not one special event. And it's not made for one special person. Success is wherever you are trying to find it.